Hey, Ranger Stacy here at Sesquicentennial State Park. Things are pretty quiet in the campground right now, but in less than 2 months, there'll be over 100 brand new campers here learning how to camp at our Palmetto Campout. Oh, hey, Terry. I was just walking around looking at the campground and thinking about the Palmetto Campout coming up. And gosh, I have so many fond memories of all these Palmetto campouts. Can you believe we've been doing these every year since 2009? That's 15 years. Let me tell you what some of the participants can expect from these campouts. It's so exciting when the families start arriving and setting up their campsites. Tents can be a little confusing at first, so our ranger guides are happy to lend a hand. Once everyone is set up, we'll get all the families, volunteers, and staff together for the welcome message and announcements. Then it's lunchtime, with the classic camping meal of hot dogs cooked over the campfire. Let's face it, it's not camping if you don't eat a hot dog. I think one of the activities that surprises new campers the most is the campfire turkey roast. Yep, you heard that right, whole turkeys, cooked over a campfire by none other than world-class campfire cooks, Ranger Paul and Ranger Bryn. It's like Thanksgiving at the Palmetto Campout. All right, turkeys are on the grill. Time to go have fun. Or you know what? Just relax while we wait for the turkeys. There are so many fun activities to do at the Palmetto Campout. One of the most popular stations is our Paddling 101. Sometimes people are a little hesitant at first, but like the rest of the Palmetto Campout, we designed it for beginners. There are experienced rangers on and off the water to teach them. Our fishing clinic is another activity at the lake. Participants don't need any supplies or experience, as we have everything they need and we'll show them how to use it. They might even catch their first fish ever.
I noticed my picture in there, and that brought back a lot of fond memories for me too. But what do you say to people who are thinking about signing up, but they're just not quite sure yet?
That's a great question, Terry. One of the goals of the Palmetto Campout is for them to learn new skills. So I would probably share with them some of the other activities that we do that day. For instance, if they've never built a campfire before, we'll teach them how at our Campfire 101 workshops. Because you know that you can't have a complete campout without a campfire. We will show them some tips and tricks as well as talk about the importance of campfire safety. Also, each camper gets a Palmetto Campout t-shirt that they can tie-dye themselves. Another cool activity is a hammock camping station. Now, lots of us have napped in a hammock in the backyard, but did you know that you could camp in a hammock? The Palmetto State Hangers are a hammock camping club that are on hand to show our participants just how to do that. Not only that, but the Palmetto State Hangers have been supporting the Palmetto Campout through donations and volunteering since we started 15 years ago. They have worked to almost fund our entire campout event for the last few years. So thank you, Palmetto State Hangers, for all of your support. Well, it's almost dinner time, and guess what we're having for dinner? Another camping classic, hobo meals. It's your classic meat and three cooked in an aluminum foil wrap on campfire coals. We'll show everyone how to do it, but then they will use their ingredients that they bring with them to customize their own menu. By now, the turkeys are done too, but don't worry, there's enough for everyone to try. And we have to get dessert started. Fruit cobblers. I hope you like apple, blueberry, and cherry cobblers, Terry. I don't have a favorite, but this is certainly a favorite part of the cooking station. After dinner's done, it's cobbler time, and the fun isn't over yet. We'll gather around the campfire for ghost stories, s'mores, and mountain pies. By 10 o'clock, all is quiet and it's time to sleep under the stars in our tents after a great day. Our campout concludes with an epic breakfast, as all campouts should. If this sounds like something you would like to do, join us for the 2024 Palmetto Campout at Sesquicentennial State Park. Sign up online at southcarolinaparks.com, click on the Programs and Events tab, and then select the Palmetto Campout and book now to book your spot.